guys, this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So, आउँदै गरेको हरितालिका तीजको सबैजनालाई धेरै धेरै शुभकामना. I know it's very bad situation. अहिले चाहिँ COVID-19 ले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले पहिलाको जस्तो रमाइलो गरेर तीज त मनाउन सक्दैन, but then still you can celebrate your तीज at home. हल्का get together गर्ने, मेकअपहरु गर्ने, रमाइलो गर्ने, नाच्ने. But you have to be very careful because COVID-19 ले चाहिँ हामी जस्तो एज भन्दा नि अलिकति सानसानो उमेरको बच्चाहरु अनि like 50 क्रस 60 क्रसको आमा बाबाहरुलाई चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै इफेक्ट पारेको छ. त्यही भएर चाहिँ उहाँहरुको लागि भने पनि हामी चाहिँ एकदमै सतर्क हुनुपर्छ. So you have to be very careful. Don't forget to wash your hand and wear your mask, but then you have to wear lipstick, of course. So without any further ado, let's start this video. Okay, so first I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. Recently I'm using this primer a lot because I think it's perfect for dry skin, and then I think it's perfect if you are using matte foundation. So now I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation and it's on the shade 180. So if you're using this foundation, make sure you work really fast, because it dries up a little bit faster than other foundation. So next I'm using this Fit Me concealer and it's on the shade 25 medium. Next I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my concealer, because अहिले चाहिँ गर्मी छ and तीजको बेलामा धेरै जसो सबै साथीहरु चाहिँ they dance, they eat a lot, sweat धेरै हुन्छ. So we're trying our makeup to be sweat proof, hopefully. So first I'm using this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade Gel and apply just like this first. Look at this, it looks more thicker and fuller now. So now I'm going to use this Benefit Precisely Brow My pencil. It's in the number 3. So next I'm going to use this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. नत्र चाहिँ यसरी माथि माथि उडिजान्छ के राम्रो देख्दैन. And I'm going to take this small pencil brush and I'm going to clean my brow. So now I'm going to take this color right here as my transition color first. So we're going to make this look as simple as possible. So I'm going to use only 2 sets of color. Let's see what happens. For now, I'm going to use this burgundy color right here. So next I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to place it all over my eyelid, just like this. So now I'm going to slowly build this color. Now I'm going to use this color right here in the middle of my eyelid, just like this, just to make a little bit of spotlight effect. So now I'm going to use a little bit of red just to complement my dress, just a little bit, right in the outer corner, and dry it like this. I know I told you guys I'm gonna use just 2 sets of eyeshadow, but that I ended up using so many eyeshadows. Okay, now I don't wanna touch anymore. I'm done with this. Dusting off my excess and fallout. And I'm using this eyeliner from Benefit. And I'm going to line my eyelid. So after eyeliner, I'm going to take same transition set first and apply on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to take the same darkest color and blend with that color. You can make it more darker if you want, or you can use a little bit of black eyeshadow to blend it and make it more intense. So for the lashes, I'm going to use this Pari lashes. So for the contour, I'm using this shade from Ladies Night eyeshadow palette from Tarte. So I know it's very bad situation because of this COVID-19, but then still you can celebrate these आफै अलिकति थोरै मान्छेहरु मात्रै ग्यादर भएर घरमा हल्का तीज चाहिँ मनाउन मिल्छ. But then you can still do your makeup, wear your favorite designer clothes or something like that. COVID is very dangerous. So I'm using my blush from the same palette. अनि लिपस्टिकको लागि चाहिँ म यो डोज अफ कलरको लिपस्टिक लिदैछु. इट्स इन द शेड campfire. So before any lipstick, don't forget to moisturize your lips. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.